Hi, you guys. This is Antoinette coming to you from Creations PS91. I am coming to you guys today to talk about those hand towels that I showed on the last video, which is for the project today. So if you don't remember, let me get the pattern for you. This is the pattern right here. These are the hand towels that um, I I was going to work up. I did work them up. Okay, so now let me show you the ones that are worked up. We have three beautiful colors, you guys. I always, when I'm doing these crochet projects, it is so amazing to me that what they look like on the pattern, and then when you create them and bring them to life, oh my word, it's just, oh my word. Let me just show them to you. Okay, so there's three colors. We have the gray. Do you see it? You have the gray right here, and that's the back. And let's get, and then we have the turquoise color. It's just beautiful. And last but not least, we have the yellow. This is the yellow. Okay, you guys. So these towels, these towels are so beautiful. Okay, so they are made up of 100% cotton yarn, and the yarn was usually, when I work with some cotton yarns, they like, I'm like, if I have to fight with them or struggle with them sometimes, because of just how it's made. But for some reason, this yarn glided through my hands so sweetly. It was just so nice. This yarn. I There's really nothing else to say, but it was just really nice. I really enjoyed it in my hands. For my crocheters out there, you guys know what I'm talking about. And each ball, I'm sorry, each skein was 4 ounces and 190 yards. After I worked them up, I did have some left over. Okay. Not much, but I did have some left over. And I think that is, the hook size was a size 4. And I think that is about it for the generals. So let's talk about this pattern. Okay. So let me get one of the, okay. So this pattern, you guys, look real close to this. This stitch, I just want to talk about the stitch. The stitch itself is only single crochet and double crochet. That's what this is. And as I was working this up, you guys, instantly in my brain, I thought of a sweater. Like, this will look so nice in a sweater, right? If you think, leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think with this stitch. Look at this. This stitch could be. I'm always thinking about garments and stuff like that. I wouldn't have never thought to put these two stitches together and get this. So leave me a comment. Let me know, you guys, what you think. Um, is the sweater great? Is it something else we could make something out of? Ooh, what about a baby blanket? That would be nice too. So just look, my brain is going. So just let me know. Leave me a comment down below, you guys. I would love to know what you guys think. So let's get back into the pattern here. Okay, you guys. So from the bottom, you're working from the bottom up, right? So from the bottom up, all you're doing is single double, single double, single crochet, double crochet, all the way up to the 35th row, and it's 35 rows. That's what this is right here. And then After you and if you see me looking over, you guys, I'm actually looking at my notes. I wanted to make sure I got everything possible for these towels. So, so we can talk about it, because we need to talk about it. So, yes. So the one of the things that was in this pattern, you guys, that just really just made me took me aback was is that there is a lot of counting in these towels. So if you from here, from the bottom up, it is worked like this. Okay, so it is worked, just you're going back and forth, single double, all the way up the towel. Okay, when you get up here, up in the top part, I'm gonna take this a loose. So when you are working this top part, you guys, you are doing about 5 things at one time. You are doing a single crochet, a double crochet, a single decrease, and a crochet double crochet decrease. And you know what? And I want to show you guys, for my beginners out there who do not know how to do a single decrease or a double crochet decrease. I wanted to show that to you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and get into that right now. So I'm going to get my hook and get my stuff, and we can go into, and then we'll come back and talk about the finishing of the top part. So right here, for my my beginners who do not or have not decreased anything, this is a single decrease. Okay, so let's just do the single decrease. Put my hook in here. Okay, you guys. So the single decrease, okay, so you have it. It's just like a single crochet, but you just don't finish it. So let's just get right into it. So you're going to stick your hook into your first chain, right? You're going to pull up the loop, pull up the yarn, and you got 2 on your hook. Then you're going to go into your next chain, or on your next chain right here, and you're going to pull up the loop, pull up, and you got 3 on your hook, right? And then you yarn over, and you take it all the way through, and that is a single crochet decrease. We need to do that again, just so I can make sure you guys got it. Because if you're going to make any kind of garment or anything like this, this is what they use. The single and the double crochet in those garments, that's what they use. So let's do the single crochet decrease again. We're going to take our hook. We're going to put it in a chain. We're going to pull up a loop. We got 2 on our hook. We're going to take our hook, put it in the next chain right next to it, pull up a loop, and we got 3 on our hook. Then we're going to yarn over, and we're going to take it all the way through, you guys. And there we are. That is our single crochet decrease. Okay? So now let's do the double crochet decrease. Okay. I got the yarn. Here we go. Let's do this. So it's okay, and I'm just going to show you. So we're going to yarn over. We're going to stick it into our chain. We're going to yarn over again. We're going to bring up a loop. We're going to bring that loop up. We have 3 on our hook. And it's like, okay, it's like making a, let me see. You know what? It's like making a double crochet, but you're not finishing it. That's the best way to do it. Let's do it again. I want to show you guys that. Because I believe if you can, if it looks familiar to you, you will get it. So we're going to yarn over and we're going to stick our hook through the chain. We're going to bring up a loop. We're going to yarn over just like a double crochet. And we're going to go through, but we don't finish. We have 2 on our hook, right? So we're going to yarn over again and we're going to go in our next chain. And we're going to bring up a loop. And now, right? Now, so now you have 4. No, I'm sorry. We're going to go, okay. We're going to do, I'm sorry, guys. Okay, here we go. Yeah, we got 2. We got 4 on our hook. 4 on our hook. And we're going to go through 2. Then we're going to yarn over again and we're going to go through all 3. And that is our double crochet decrease. And I'm sorry if I if I kind of messed you guys up with that confusion that I had. So let's do it again, okay? So we're going to yarn over. We're going to put it through our chain. We're going to bring up a loop. We're going to yarn over like a double crochet. And we're going to stop. And we got 2 chains on our hook. We're going to yarn over again. We're going to put our hook through the chain. We're going to bring it up. And we got 4 on our hook. We're going to yarn over. We're going to take 2. Just 2. 2 loops is gone. Then we're going to yarn over. And we're going to take it all the way through. And that is our, see how that's decreasing right there? That's our double crochet decrease. And I want to do it again, you guys. Yarn over, put it through the chain, bring it up, bring up that loop, yarn over like you're making a double crochet, and then you stop. You have 2 on your hook. You want to yarn over again, and you want to put it in your next chain. You're going to bring it up, bring that loop up, and you have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 on your hook. And then you're going to yarn over, you're going to go through 2 of them. Yarn over, go through 2. So then you have 3 on your hook. Then you're going to yarn over and go through all 3. And there you guys go. The double crochet decrease. Okay? I know you guys got it. So let's get back into the working in the round. Okay, so when you get up to here, you guys, to right here, you are working in the round. This is what this part is. If you can see how that back right here is when you start working in the round. And like I said, you are doing 5 different things at one time. I would suggest that you would just get somewhere quiet and count, because you're going to be doing a lot of it as you going around in circles. And when you're going around, it's so easy to mess up. I messed up. My husband wanted me to go to the store, you guys, and I messed up. Oh my word. And I lost count. I had to take about a couple of rows out until I knew where I was. So the biggest tip I can give to this one right here, this project, is take your time and count. Make sure you're following it. If you don't know what it is, the instructions of the pattern was super easy. And that's what I loved about, especially going in around. It was so easy. Sometimes there's patterns and you be like, okay, so what happened right here? But step by step, they told you what to do. And like I said, there's a lot of counting. So yes, just be prepared if you decide to work this pattern. That's what that is. And when you get up here, to this part right here, you are basically chaining 6 and you're making your little loop, and then you're coming back and you crocheting on top of that. And I had such a wonderful time working these up. I can't even tell you. They are so pretty, and so that I just don't want to use them. If anything, I think I'm gonna use them for like decorations or something. But I will not be using these towels because they are so pretty to me. And last but not least, you guys, these buttons. Okay, so these buttons came in the kit. And you guys, oh my word, like I am like loving these buttons. They just really set it off for me. They just set it off. Like they really, truly, truly did. So that's all I have, you guys, as far as these towels. But before I go, you guys, let me tell you what the next project is, okay? You ready? Here we go, you guys. Oh my word. Like, look how beautiful this is. Let me take it out. You see this? Okay, so that is really, really nice. And as always, you guys, I can't wait to work it up so we can talk about it, right? So the yarn, look at this yarn. So the yarn is different, right? So we're working with texture yarn. It's a combination of some stuff. So when I finish working it up and I come back, I'll give you all of the juicy information on it and we can talk about it, right? You know, you guys, this is it for me. I am so excited about coming to you guys, working this stuff up so we can talk about it. If you guys like the video, give me a big thumbs up. If you like what I'm doing and you want to see some more videos of what I'm doing, then just go ahead and hit the subscription button and then hit the bell so you can be notified when I do another video. So like I said, you guys, I thank you so much for stopping by and listening to me talk about one of the things that I love so much is crochet. And remember, you guys, when you are working with your hands, you always have peace within your heart. I will see you guys soon. Bye for now.